Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace a drum and reset a drum counter on a Brother HL-5050 printer. It's a pretty simple process. First thing you're going to do is open the front door. You're going to remove the toner and drum. They're going to come out together in one piece. Now you're going to want to separate the toner from the drum. To do that, there's a little blue tab on the side of the drum. You push down on that blue tab and it releases the drum. You'll be able to lift it out. We'll set our old drum off to the side. We have our new Onyx brand drum. Inside of every Onyx brand drum there are written instructions to walk you through how to replace it. Okay, now we have our new drum. We're going to reinstall our toner into our new drum and feel it click into place. And at the top of the drum, you're going to see a little blue tab. You're going to slide that little blue tab all the way across the length of the top of the drum, about 2 or 3 times, making sure you aim in the same spot that it starts at. You'll see 2 little arrows pointing at each other. And once you've done that, you're going to reinstall your toner and drum back inside the printer, making sure it clicks all the way in place. And then you're going to leave the front door open and press and hold the go button for about 4 seconds until all the LEDs light up on the side. Once they all light up, you'll let go of the go button, close the front door, and just like that you're back up and printing.